Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of aloe vera and its myriad benefits for the skin. From alleviating sunburns to managing acne and even mitigating signs of aging, this natural marvel has gained recognition for its remarkable qualities. We'll explore how aloe vera serves as a versatile solution for various skin concerns, including combating dryness through its moisturizing attributes and fading dark spots and stretch marks with compounds like aloin and aloe. Did you know that aloe vera's inherent salicylic acid content can work wonders for those with acne-prone skin? Its anti-inflammatory capabilities offer relief for conditions like psoriasis and eczema, potentially revolutionizing comfort for persistent skin irritations. Number 1. Soothing sunburns and skin injuries. Aloe vera soothes sunburns and skin injuries by increasing collagen synthesis and cross-linking. This helps reduce any resulting scar tissue and speeds up wound healing, says Green. According to a 2018 study in Molecules, aloe also contains compounds called aloin and anthraquinones, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that can help alleviate pain and promote healing. Green cautions, however, that aloe vera should only be applied to mild to moderate first and second-degree burns. More severe burns need to be treated in a medical facility. Number 2. Moisturizing skin. Since aloe vera contains humectants, substances that attract water from the air or from deeper inside the skin, it's thought to be especially beneficial for dry skin types. Aloe specifically contains mucopolysaccharides, which bind moisture into the skin, says Green. It also has cohesive effects by sticking together flaking epidermal skin cells, resulting in softer skin and improved skin integrity. Number 3. Fading dark spots and stretch marks. According to Green, there are 2 compounds in aloe that may fade dark spots and stretch marks, allicin and aloin. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, allicin was applied 4 times per day for 15 days and was found to be effective in treating UV-induced and post-acne hyperpigmentation. And a 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical and Investigative Dermatology suggests that aloe vera leaf extract added to a cream base may be effective in treating melasma, which is dark spots on the skin, usually on the face. Number 4. Managing acne. Aloe vera contains naturally occurring salicylic acid, urea nitrogen, cinnamic acid, phenols, and sulfur, all of which inhibit the growth of fungi, bacteria, and viruses. It also has anti-inflammatory capabilities, which suppresses P. acnes, the bacteria that causes acne, says Green. Salicylic acid is currently one of the best ways to prevent acne since it sheds dead cells from the outer layer of the skin and decreases redness and inflammation. Number 5. Soothing skin conditions. Flare-ups of psoriasis, an inflammatory condition that causes red, itchy, and scaly patches, may be better managed with aloe vera in the mix, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Ditto for eczema, a skin condition that causes your skin to become red and itchy and more prone to fungal and bacterial infections. Aloe has antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that may soothe eczema by hydrating and protecting it from contaminants, says Green. Number 6. Slowing signs of aging. Because aloe vera contains vitamin C and E, it stands to reason it may help prevent the formation of free radicals, which are the molecules that cause cell damage. Meanwhile, the salicylic acid it contains acts as a gentle exfoliant, and once those pesky dead skin cells are out of the way, your other skincare products might better penetrate the surface and do their thing more effectively as a result. Before moving to the next point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay engaged with our informative discussions. Number 7. Boosts healing of wounds. It is now a known fact that aloe vera is highly beneficial for burns, cuts, and other injuries. This is because aloe vera boosts the healing of wounds, i.e., reduces the time of healing. This is true especially in the case of first-degree and second-degree burns. It's a great skin burn treatment. It also helps to speed up skin cell reproduction as much as 8 times. Aloe vera is also known to penetrate the epidermis, i.e. the outer layer of the skin is faster than water. Number 8. Lightens blemishes on the face. As we already know, aloe vera contains powers to boost skin cell reproduction, reduce redness, and fight skin inflammation. It is a natural treatment for stretch marks and acne marks. To treat freckles and lighten age spots, add some lemon juice to the gel mixture. It is one of the perfect home remedies for glowing skin. Number 9. Removes dark circles and puffiness, the most annoying and unsightly dark circles that you thought you really can't do much about. Good news, you can trust aloe vera for getting rid of it. It is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which help lighten discoloration around the eyes, and the cooling effect helps with the puffiness, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Applying aloe vera gel around the eyes at night would depuff eyes and fade dark circles away. Number 10. Treats eczema and psoriasis. One of the best benefits of aloe vera for skin is its moisturizing and hydrating properties. This is what helps to moisturize dry skin, relieve itchiness, which is a very common symptom of eczema. Additionally, applying aloe vera gel every day helps to relieve the inflammation that comes with psoriasis and reduces itchiness. Number 11. Eliminates dead skin cells. Mixing a bit of aloe vera gel to your usual scrub is an excellent way to eliminate dead skin cells. Aloe vera gel prevents the stripping of the skin of its natural oils and replenishes lost moisture. This will help your skin look really soft, supple, and glowing. Number 12. Cold sores. Unlike canker sores, cold sores develop on the outside of your mouth. Aloe vera may help treat the herpes virus, which is also the underlying cause of cold sores. Apply a small amount of the gel to your cold sore twice daily until it goes away. As we wrap up this enlightening discussion, it's clear that aloe vera offers a wealth of benefits for your skin's health and appearance. From soothing sunburns and skin injuries to moisturizing dry skin with its humectant properties, aloe vera proves to be a versatile ally in your skincare routine. But the advantages don't stop there. Aloe vera's potential for fading dark spots and stretch marks, managing acne, and calming skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema showcases its remarkable versatility. And for those concerned about the signs of aging, aloe vera's vitamin-rich composition and exfoliating salicylic acid can play a role in slowing down the aging process. Don't forget to share this video to spread the word about the wonders of aloe vera. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll delve into more exciting topics.